Baby boy.
What's today? Today is March 14th.
Happy baby boy.
Saturday.
Happy. You
And
want
we
to see?
figured out what makes Kloden get really upset. Daddy yawns. And Kloden gets really sad.
Oh no, it's okay. No. Shh. No. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know why he doesn't like the yawning.
It's okay. No, it's okay. He's a big Kloden. He's a big boy.
Hey, baby.
He's a big boy. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Don't like it when Daddy yawns like that. Makes me mad.
Do it one more time.
Oh no, no, it's okay. No,
He just said mama.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Kloden,
okay.
how old are you? 12? Are you 13 weeks old now? He just turned 13 weeks yesterday. He's 3 months old.
3 months old. You're 3 months old. You're a big boy. No, it's your. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's okay. You're getting fussy.
Kloden.
Okay.
All right.